Hi everyone, today I want to recommend the best Esim application for Peru, and you can find the link to it in the description below this video. I've tried many other Esim apps and this one is in my opinion the best. Let me show you how easy it is to use. When you click in the link on the description you will be redirected to Play Store, and here you will see Global Yo Esim travel data. So just simply download it, install and click on open. Once you've signed in, you will have $7.50 welcome bonuses, which is quite huge. So, and now let's see how it's easy and user-friendly to buy Esim in this application. Just simply click on Esim shop, scroll down and find your wishable country. In my case, it will be Peru. So here we can see different offers for us. I will choose 3 gigabytes for 15 days. By now I understand, and here I can choose how much bonus points I will spend. As you can see, I can spend $8. So here I will turn on international calls because I need them. Click on add a new card buy now, and here you need to fill your payment information. Once you've done that, you're ready to go and your eSIM will be activated. And that's it. With excellent coverage, competitive prices, and $7.50 bonuses for just signing up. If you use the link in the description, you will definitely like this app. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.